Hi. Did you hear that? You're right, it's a bird. But did you know that it's also the inspiration for a better future? Don't believe me? Let me explain. New research shows that when a bird sings in the forest, other species around it listen and act on its song. One call ensures the safety of dozens more. Observing nature's cues helps humans too. Before humans achieve flight, we first looked at the wings of birds. Today, feathers are still informing the refinements we make to the fans of jet turbines. Nature inspires innovation. But it gets a lot more complex. When scientists noticed butterfly wings changing color because of certain gases, we started developing sensors to detect hazardous materials based on the idea. Okay, let's take a swim. When fish school together, each member conserves energy. We use this principle to make more efficient wind farms. Today, wind farms and solar farms are listening to each other. They share information, telling inessential equipment in the city to power down, while providing more power to the areas that need it most. Each industrial machine, like different species of an urban jungle, singing its own song and each listening to make sure everything runs smoothly. That's digital industrial technology at work, connecting ourselves, our world, and our machines for a more brilliant and inspired future.